How to delete all cache on Mac. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open Finder on your device and further tap on the Go option from the top menu bar. You will then see the option for Go to Folder, tap on it, and now in the pop-up that appears, type in whatever I have written on the text box, that is a tilde slash library slash cache. Now, tap on the very first option you see there, and in the interface that you will now be led to, you will be able to view all the cache on your Mac. So simply, in order to delete all the cache, go ahead and select all the folders in here, or you can also simply press the Command and A keys on your keyboard, and with this, all the folders will be selected. Now, right click on the mouse and you will see the Move to Trash option. Tap on it and you will further be prompted to enter your MacBook's passcode. So go ahead and enter that, and with this, all your cache will be cleared. So this is how you can delete all cache on Mac. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.